Let me ask you something, mommies in the house. Does your daughter cry every time you touch her hair? Does wash day feels like a fight? And you are wondering, why is her hair not growing? If this is you, please stay with me till the end because the problem is not your child's hair. I speak to so many mothers who tell me my child hair is always tangled, it breaks easily, she cries whenever I want to comb it. And as a mother, that hurts. And I understand. You don't want to cause pain, you just want healthy hair for your babies. Before I continue, comment yes if this sounds like your child. And please like this video so that other mothers can find it too. Now let's talk about the real reason your child hair is not growing. Number one, dry hair. Children's hair loses moisture faster than adults. When hair is dry, it tangles and breaks. Number two, rough detangling. Combing dry hair or rushing through detangling causes unnecessary pain, breakage, and fear. Number three, no kids friendly routine. Adult products and complicated routines are too harsh for children's hair. Let me clear this mind once and for all. Your child hair is not stubborn, it's not bad hair, and it's definitely not refusing to grow. What it needs is gentle care. Healthy children's hair grows when it feels soft, moisturized, handled with patience. Hair that is always crying in pain will always break. And no child should associate hair care with pain. This is exactly why we created TOQ Natural hair care product because it contains gentle, nourishing ingredients, softening formulas made for natural hair, simple routines busy mothers can actually follow. No harsh pulling, no tears, no struggle. A simple kids-friendly routine looks like this. Number one, moisturize first. Never detangle dry hair. Number two, work in sections. Number three, use your fingers or a white tooth comb to detangle their hair. Number four, be gentle, not fast. Healthy hair is built slowly, not by force. Imagine your daughter sitting calmly, no crying, no fear, just soft hair and trust. That's what gentle care creates. Mothers, please remember this. Healthy hair starts with gentle care, not force. If you want to start your child healthy hair journey the right way, check out TOQ Natural hair care products created with love for natural hair. If this helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, comment your biggest child hair struggle, subscribe for more natural hair tips for mothers and daughters. Thank you.